Welcome back to Custom Fabricating Solutions YouTube channel. I'm Rob. Today's video is going to talk about some long overdue information for you guys that have been buying these fences from us, or you would like to buy a zero clearance from us. You might be wondering the hole locations. You don't have them in the upper fences. We're going to explain what you need to do on your saw. You'll be required to drill 2 holes in your left fence and 2 holes in your right fence, and go over that in this video. But for those that have never bought from us, this is 3 products we're going to talk about. It's going to be the zero clearance fence. This is the standard version, and we have a notch version. We'll go over that in a second. Our table insert and our upgraded stainless steel hardware. But we'll talk about mounting this now, mounting the zero clearance fences. What you want to do is take the fence, have your blade set at 90 degrees, bring it down and touch the blade, and you'll see once you're lined up to your blade, you're going to be more towards going inward than outward. And what it is when these are set up properly, it's not going to be in the center. You most certainly could drill the hole in the center, but you're actually going to be more towards making contact with the blade, because you, believe it or not, you have to go further out when you move the saw left or right than you go in. So what we tell people is just lay the fence up there, take a Sharpie, trace out the slot, take a small drill bit, drill the hole, and then slowly work the hole size up where you can keep the hole centered. This particular model is kind of critical. We really had to be real strategic with our hole location, both on the left and the right, so it's important to kind of take your time and drill those holes in the right position. As far as when you set these, we recommend you just take and put the sticker underneath, and you set your fence at the desired angle you want, and just lock these down, and then that gives you that clearance you need when you pivot the table, because otherwise it could drag on the table. So when you're getting ready to do a bevel, the other reason why we did this and we went from the holes down here is we've taken it so you can just remove the whole fence assembly from the top, and then you go right to a bevel. Whereas before, if they were mounted here, you would have to unbolt that. So we're trying to make it a little bit quicker and easier for you to set up. So that's the other reason why we did what we did with the setup. I'd like to talk a little bit about the zero clearance table insert. This zero clearance table insert is an upgrade from the standard one. The standard one is 2 pieces, so you could technically be zero clearance, but it wouldn't be as rigid as this, because this is all 1 piece and it's solid, so it gives you more support. Plus, it's actually flush to the top of the table. The OEM ones are not always flush to the top of the table. We do have the upgraded stainless steel hardware offered as an optional upgrade. We do suggest you consider that, because the ones that come with it sometimes the screws are not the best quality. These are actually stainless steel. They'll hold up better to the elements, no corrosion. So if you buy a notch fence from us, it comes like the standard fence. It comes complete with the left and right. It comes with a hardware kit, the stickers, and that's what you get with our notch version. If you want to buy our zero clearance table insert, the way you get it is it's sold as an individual. We do offer multiple discounts, so if you buy 2, there's a discount, 3, there's a discount. We might even go to a bulk order if you buy 4 or more, but right now it's 1 to 3, and there is a savings in cost. We also offer, here's the optional upgraded stainless steel hardware kit. All 3 of these items are on our website, Custom Fabricating Solutions. All 3 of these products will be linked in the description below, so you can just get to our website quickly. Sorry about taking so long with this video. Guys that have been looking at this, you probably looked at the fence and say, hey, that's not going to work for your saw. Yes, it will. It just requires you to drill some holes. If you like our video, like, subscribe, or share. Don't forget, if you need the best, choose CFS. See you next time.